So, yesterday, 295 Ghanaian migrants were repatriated from South Africa. But Ghanaian citizens are not happy about this. They are fuming, Bafit. But it's not the repatriation ebakwatisayo. It is what the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Samuel Ablakwa, has proposed for laban laba abazoba repatriated. So the minister has proposed with laban laba, firstly, they will receive a welcome home financial package. Yabo, kushuthi laban laba bathi mebalenda bonke receive 50,000 Ghanaian shillings cash. Secondly, they will receive a transport assistance to their various destinations across Ghana. Yabo. So i-flight mayisuka la e-OR Tambo ifike yalenda kuphi e-Accra, Ghana. And then not bonke laba who are repatriated bahlala eGhana. Abanye maybe, for example, masithi i-Accra ise-Johannesburg, abanye maybe bahlala e-Eastern Cape, abanye bahlala eMpumalanga, abanye bahlala e-Western Cape, etc., etc. Yabo. So despite the 50,000 Ghanaian shilling labantu laba abayitholile cash, i-government izophinde ibanikeze on top of that 50,000 another transport allowance. After receiving this transport allowance, they will also receive a reintegration allowance. Yabo, meaning ukuthi sebazothola imali ukuthi because they've been out of the country for quite some time, so they have to be reintegrated to the society. So i-government izobe ibabhadala time being ukuthi babe reintegrated in the society. And fourthly, they will receive free psychosocial support. Because they claim they were traumatized in South Africa, but they were abused in South Africa. Even there's an individual whom showed scars I gained these scars in South Africa, and those were real scars. So i-government izofaka counseling for labo bantu, izofaka psychological support nayo yonke la iding. And the fifth one le ehlanyisa abantu kakhulu is entry into a special database for jobs and startup opportunities. Kusho ukuthi labantu laba bazofakwa in a special database for jobs and startup opportunities. Kusho ukuthi if bafuna imisebenzi bazoba special, ne-system especial for bona or for abanye abantu abafana nabo, or abantu aba-privileged ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola umsebenzi. And futhi khona le system le database kunabantu futhi aba-privileged if abafuna ukuthola imisebenzi, bafuna ukuqala ama-company, they'll get funding opportunities to start ama-companies. Lighting ama-Ghanaian citizens abayithandi not one bit. They claim ukuthi thina, we've been in this country, we've endured, we've been loyal, we've been paying taxes. The mali labantu laba abazoyithola will be from our taxes, but we, the loyal citizens of this country, are not receiving any packages. So to read a few comments from our citizens, but firstly, I have to admit, ukuthi lama comments lanka are a bit biased. So firstly, Ulirato ati, I'm reading the comments, and the people who stayed and helped build the country are begging to be afforded the same opportunities. This is the most stupid thing I've ever seen. But of course, it comes from a stupid African leader, so it's not surprising. Then who are black ati, your performance is Oscar worthy. So the Ghanaian who breaks the law of South Africa by overstaying his visa, doing God knows what to survive, is rewarded. What of the Ghanaian who stayed home, obeying laws and trying to make his country work? Do they get the same special package too? No, they do not, Ablakwa. They do not. Then Usel ati, those of us already in Ghana also need allowances. LEAP beneficiaries hardly get anything. These people may already have enough. They were able to fly to a foreign country, which is a fair point. Not everyone can afford a flight ticket. Coming to a country, okay, being repatriated, it was free. But coming la, most of them flew here. So, and most of people cannot afford flights. But they buy travel buses. Then calls ati, what a slap in the face for citizens who stayed home and are building Ghana to be great. Imagine awarding people who chose to be illegal immigrants in another country. Are you people normal? Maybe they are, maybe they are not. So what do you think about this package given to ama repatriates? Do you think it is fair for the government ukuthi kube nabantu abazoba integrated in a special database for employment? Do you not believe ukuthi every individual in a country should be awarded the same privilege of employment and business opportunities? Or do you believe that maybe this is a humanitarian helping hand? It's just temporary. What do you think about that?